friends, welcome back to CHALEESE Bakes Cakes. Make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys, and hit that notification bell. Today we are just doing a fun, quick video about Legos. Yes, we're doing all things Legos today here at CHALEESE Bakes Cakes. And before we get started, I just wanted to shout out to the Johnson family. I just wanted to say a hi to Damon and Jonas and Lila and Levi and Silas. Thanks, guys, for watching my videos. I love you guys so much, and thanks for watching, and I hope you like Legos. All right, let's get started. To start out making our fun Lego cake, guys, I just got these fun Lego molds off Amazon because I told you Amazon is just my go-to. All right, I just found them off Amazon. They are all different colors, so we've got yellow, green, red, blue. They're so fun. Look at them. I mean, they're cute. Okay, so here's the trick, guys. You can put fondant. If you want to make fondant Legos, all you have to do is color some fondant and we'll just put it in the mold and it should come out really well. But today I want to do candy melts. I like candy melts better. It's kind of like a white chocolate vanilla and it just tastes better than fondant. I mean, I know some people love fondant, but I'm not really a huge fondant fan. So today we're just gonna make these Lego bricks like I make my mermaid tails, just out of our candy melts. So I got all the different colors of candy melts. You can see I have red and yellow and green and blue to match. And now what I'm gonna do, so when I make my mermaid cupcakes, you guys have seen I just use a spoon and just scoop it in to the molds. Well, today we're gonna do it a little bit cleaner, just because I kind of want the Legos a little bit cleaner. And I told you I'd show you the other way we can fill our molds with the chocolate melts. So we're gonna melt our chocolate melts into our glass bowl. I usually put them in for about a minute, guys. About a minute 10, that's about as how hot I'll go, because we don't want to overcook our candy melts, then it will just not be good. All right, so put them in the microwave for a minute, and then we pull them out, we stir it up, nice and melty chocolate. And now what we're gonna do here is I have my piping bags, and I've just cut a tiny little bit off the bottom. You can also use Ziploc bags if you don't have piping bags. I'll show you a technique where I just use my Ziploc bags coming up in an upcoming video. But today, if you don't have piping bags, just use those plastic Ziploc bags. But I'm gonna put it in my piping bag, and I'm just gonna dump the red or whatever color we're using today. I'm gonna dump the chocolate into the piping bag, guys. So as you can see, I'm just dumping it right in. And now it's definitely, if you make the hole big, it just kind of comes out. So just be careful. It just likes to come out. The chocolate is just gonna be messy and come out of that piping bag really quickly. So now we're just gonna pull the mold over and we're just gonna start filling the cavities. So here we go. We're gonna fill up this mold with our melted chocolate. Just fill it up as good as you can. You can see we're just filling up with Legos. We're gonna pick up the little mold and we're just gonna kind of hit it, drop it, just drop it on the table, and it will smooth out that chocolate. If it doesn't smooth it out as well as you want, you can also get something to scrape off the top so you can smooth it out even more. But yeah, just pick it up and drop it on the table a few times and it will smooth out your chocolate. Now put them in the freezer and they should harden up really well. And now we're gonna pop out these Legos, guys. Let's see, I'm not sure about the Lego guys, so we're gonna see how those turn out, but we're gonna pop out these Lego bricks and then we'll put them on our cake. Make sure and pop them out nice and slow so that they don't break. If you do have some break, like I said, sometimes working with candy melts and chocolate, it just tends to break, but just do it nice and slow, pop those out, and look at those cute Legos. They're so fun. I love them. I will, however, do a video where I will do the fondant if you guys want to see me make the bricks out of fondant, and we'll make some cupcakes or something, but I do like the chocolate and the candy melts better, so that's why we tried this today. All right, now you can see I've got my cake. It's frosted. We're just doing a white cake today. And now we're just gonna put the cute Legos all over this cake and finish it up, guys. Thanks so much for watching here at CHALEESE Bakes Cakes. I hope you guys had fun making our cute Lego bricks out of chocolate melts. Go try it and let me know how it goes. Have a good day, guys.